One of the things a lot of customers like most about myQ Doc Management is that not only do they get notifications about things that happen at their docs, not only can they see what's happening in their docs right now in real time, not only can they get historical reporting of everything that's occurred in their docs over the last whatever period of time they want to see, they can also have their equipment provider, their service provider, have access to their account so that they can be notified of anything that might happen in the doc that requires service or maintenance. And basically all they have to do is check on this maintenance notification box. So when your equipment provider asks for your permission to have access to notifications in your account, say yes, because this is what they can do for you. They can get notified when anything that requires maintenance happens in your docs. They can click here on equipment, operational, and safety notifications. So anything like that happens with any of your equipment in your docs, the software will tell their service manager in a text or email format. They'll be able to fix it for you. Chances are they're going to stay on top of this for you because it's an additional service they can provide for you. They're interested in doing this for you. That's part of the service they want to provide for you. So this is just one more reason that myQ Doc Management can really benefit your business.